Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quick Tech Bites. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic for all the newbies out there, AI for beginners. If you've ever wondered what artificial intelligence is and how it works, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Okay, so what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even learning from experience. Think of AI as giving computers the ability to think and learn like humans. Now, how does AI work? AI systems use algorithms. These are like sets of rules or instructions to analyze data and make decisions. For example, if you've ever used a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, you've interacted with AI. It takes your speech, processes it, and provides a response based on what it has learned from thousands of other conversations. The more data it gets, the better it becomes. That's called machine learning, and it's a big part of AI. There are two main types of AI, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is what we use today. It's designed to perform specific tasks, like recognizing faces in photos or suggesting movies on Netflix. General AI, on the other hand, would be an AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. We are not quite there yet, but it's a big goal in the field of AI research. Now, why should beginners care about AI? Well, AI is already a part of our daily lives, and it's only going to grow. Understanding the basics of AI can help you navigate the future job market, make better use of technology, and even contribute to important conversations about how AI should be used ethically. Plus, learning AI can open doors to exciting careers in tech. So, if you're a beginner, now's the perfect time to start exploring AI. You don't need to be a programmer right away. There are tons of beginner-friendly resources online, from YouTube tutorials to courses that can teach you the basics. Start small, learn how AI works, and who knows, you might be the one building the next big AI application. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more beginner-friendly tech content, make sure to like and subscribe to Quick Tech Bites. Let me know in the comments what AI topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.